With my room, it's the 1st of December. I'm joking. It's actually the 13th of December. I'm a little bit late this video. So Christmas tree. This is my big giant dog. This is my brother that's watching this video. So Christmas, yay! I just got home from school like a couple hours ago. My dad. So I can do this a 4-minute video from some reason. So this is gonna be 4 minutes.
I know what the weights on up on the streets. When the weights on the games back up on the streets.
Leslie Quan Collins, Daily Dolphins. Story time. God dang it! Hey! What's up, guys? So, how you saw it?
Look, here are the comments. There's 4. Thank you for your hate. Bye, Caleb said. Then Rufu Chu says, this was freaking awesome. Great job, homie. Keep doing you, and if you continue to upload regularly, I believe you will continue to grow. Hope I motivated you in one way or another. Smiley face. I hope you can give feedback for my videos as well. You don't have to, but you have any free time, it's much appreciated. Have a great day. Then Caleb says, Rufu, thank you. Then Anthony the boss says, nobody gives a F word, you lame B word. Go kill yourself, you D word. Sucking F. F-E? Yeah.
So December radio, Christmas time, no, whatever.
Christmas time.
Everybody said good. I redid a Batman video a month ago or something. Wanna check that out on Red's channel? Pretty funny video.
Hello guys,
So December video, December the 13th. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Is it December the 14th, Rain? 13th. This is my mean dog named Rudolph. Look at my Rudolph doggy. So Rudolphy. Look at her. She's a Rudolph evil dog. She's a German Shepherd. She's a violent German Shepherd. Look at that Christmas Rudolph dog. The girly. So cute, so goggy. It's been 3 minutes already. I have 1 more minute to spend. You guys? Oh yeah. Spend on storage or something. It's nighttime, as you see. I think it's 8:10 a.m. night. It's 8. So my brother and this is gonna be a short video. I'm gonna do a gaming video today too. So yeah. Okay, the camera and my book bag. So this video's about to end because it can only be 4 minutes long, and it's at 3 minutes. It's about to get 4. So yeah, my brother. It's about to end in 3.
Like, you shouldn't make the videos only that long. You should make